Assalamu alaikum. Now I'm in my classroom, also department. Today I'm the only first student who has come to the classroom, and I have come today early in my classroom because I have a plan, and I had a plan also to make some video, and already I have made video in Sinagar market and buying something. I have come here today. I couldn't have my breakfast properly. For this reason I have come here early, and there is also one of the requested video. You also watched that in a shop, and I talked to a shopkeeper. If you don't watch that video, you should watch the description link of that video. I have, you can watch it anywhere, anytime. And for this reason, now there are some two pictures of tomato and two pieces of chocolate, one kind of dairy milk chocolate. The chocolate name is Yuko chocolate, and well populated things is the all-time cake I have bought now. But chanachur or chocolate cannot meet my hungry. Only this cake can meet my hungry, I think. But I should not have bought that chanachur chocolate, but I bought of my classmates. If anyone come early, I will share with them. Okay. So now this time I am going to have the this. Okay, this is a old time cake. It's one of the popular cake, and the validity of this cake is very low, 7 day 1 week, because it's a very uh, populated and very demandable thing. So for this reason they do not give the validity long time. The validity is 1 week. No problem, the validity is remaining. For this reason I am checked now. Okay, I am eating now this cake. I like this cake, but unfortunately, before eating, taking some water is necessary. This is scientist says that, but I have no any mineral water. Didn't I take any bottle? Then I can have a little bit water. Even our peon, our department peon, haven't come yet in my classroom, in my department also. No problem. I have to eat. Very beautiful. This is over 9 o'clock, but it looks like 7 o'clock because it is a winter season. For this reason, one of them. Okay, let me finish. Okay, I have finished eating one piece of like bread, and also, and this time I should take an 1 cup of glass of mineral water. When there was no of my classmates yet have come to the classroom, I have to wait for that time. So I cannot, I would not be able to eat the another bread yet because I have to take a little bit water, but I can take the chocolate. I am not interested in Bangladeshi chocolate because the local chocolate, the demand or the validity is not good. I like foreign chocolate, like the chocolate, the American, European, the Middle East countries making chocolate. I like it. Nice. It is also good, but it's not too much good. This design is like a dairy milk chocolate, but it's not actually dairy milk chocolate. Okay, I have done properly. This time I have to do something more. I think you're hearing me properly. No problem. I will, when I edit this the video, I will make the high volume. Then you can watch my sound properly, hear my sound properly. Okay, by the way, I'm showing my classroom or department. This is my department. hear the teachers' lectures to us, and behind the huge number of people, at least over 15 students can attend this classroom easily. And most of the classroom, like assignment class, assignment exam, most are held in this room, because I study in about economics. I told before a lot of video. Also, this is economic department, and I study at Sinago Government College. This college is under National University, and very good, very awesome. And I'm extremely sorry I haven't created any this type of video where I eat something, but this video I made only to help those person who are beginner, who really want to express something in English when he or she eats. For their perspective, I have made. Nowadays I have started making video practically what am I am doing, and I'm trying to do something that, for this reason I'm trying to make it. And if you try like this, you can speak fluently, no problem. And you shouldn't focus your wrong, you should focus your practicing. Keep learning and keep practicing. Inshallah, one day you can success. Like, it takes around 2-3 months, but practicing continuously, it's most important things. So you have to do it. Okay, that is the most important things. There is chanachur, but I have already eaten sweet things. So after eating sweet things like jhal, this type of chanachur, this type of thing should not eat in once, because it may be turns into one kind of disease, or it can be happen. So if I really want to eat chanachur, I have to take 1 glass of water. After that time, until that time, I have to wait. No way, no problem, I can wait. Now my stomach is little bit full, and the stomach meets the hungry not properly. It's around, I can stay here at least 1-2 hours with this meeting things, eating the bread, and I will also take something more. And I have decided that I will share the chanachur with my classmate. Maybe at the time I cannot continue my video, because before, after 30 minutes later, the teacher will come to give the lecture about economics. Today's class is mathematics and statistics, very favorite subject to me. Also, I like mathematics and statistics, because the mathematics and statistics is full of the math, and math is very interesting. And whenever I fall into problems, I feel very interesting, very disgusting things. Oh, by the way, I will share something more. I couldn't share the next video where I made a video about in shopkeeper. These things I have bought some good number of amount. My senior brother sent me on my account like 1-3 days ago. Who is living in now in Malaysia. I couldn't share properly the previous video. Extremely I'm sorry if you didn't watch this video. For this reason, I'm extremely sorry, because he gave me some number video and told me to make a video about where people want to buy something in a shopkeeper, how they can express, or what should they tell, this type of thing. Or even I couldn't tell about him, and he's gave me some money, and for with his money I have bought this. Extremely I'm happy. As well as I'm extremely sorry I couldn't share your name in the last video. I share your name very little bit, and this video I have tried to share your name, so no problem. I'm extremely sorry for this reason. And even I have a new user or new account, I have a new content creator, but I am getting a lot of motivated things and lot of idea from my users. They are also giving me the different kind of ideas to make this video, to make something more. And I'm extremely happy. My user also giving me idea, and I'm making this video, and I'm getting success. I am also getting confidence, because like 1 years ago I used to make video in my staying in my house. I couldn't have enough confidence to make video outside, because I was a sinus person. But nowadays I am losing my sinus and getting confidence also. And inshallah, after few days I will started making video in a different kind of district, different kind of area. I have a wish about it, I have shared today. Inshallah, I don't know, if Allah bless me, I will try to make this video, and I'll give you. My main point and main thing is to help you, those person who really want to learn English from beginner things. I want to help them. And English is not a very hard, it's easy things. If you try to speak, you can. Just you have to think like this way. And I hope you must succeed in English speaking. And I will help you directly or indirectly, whatever I can. Okay, so this video, if you really like, of course, subscribe my channel if you really want to watch the more video, and like this video, and comment your valuable comment on the comment box. Okay, so I have to leave now. There is nothing to express more. I have made this video only to tell you or notice you. You can also practice in your classroom wherever. There are some students going beside me. Sir are also going beside me. Why? I didn't focus them. I haven't focusing them. I focusing on my video making video on this. So if you really practice like this way, inshallah one day you can practice. You can succeed, you can speak like a native speaker. One day you can speak with American or European person. So keep watching till that time. Inshallah, I'll come back with different topics, different area. Inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.